Hi friends, this video shows how to fix problem phone removing photos and videos over 90 days old. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Go to settings, tap on this settings app icon, go down, go to about phone, then tap on storage. So here you can see storage manager. Right now I have enabled storage manager. Tap on storage manager. See, when we enable storage manager will remove photos and videos over 90 days old. That is the issue. If you don't want this feature, you can disable. You can tap here and disable storage manager. Done. So this way we can fix this issue. Just disable or turn off storage manager. So this way we can fix this issue. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.